Hi, and welcome to the Brandon greenhouse. What we're going to show you today is our greenhouse, and we did about a week ago. It was a week yesterday that we planted our first seeds in the greenhouse, and you're going to see what we have here. Several of the seeds have already started to come up. Now, most importantly, as you can tell, I have a little thermometer in here, and it's 27% humidity in here and 84 degrees. It gets down to about 60 maybe, so you can see here 61 degrees was the low in here, and actually the low was 45, and the actual hot was 115 degrees in this greenhouse. So, but as you can see, I have my light on, but look at our plants. This has been 7 days. Our broccoli's already come up, as you can see. We put those in 2/8, and our spinach is starting to come up, you can see here. And then we have our cauliflower and some other vegetables here. Let's see what these are. This is chamomile and lemon balm. You can see those are starting to come up already also. Now we have the basil, our little basil experiment. Nothing's coming up yet, but again, those are not yet to sprout. And we have zucchini. If you can see here, we got some zucchini starting to come up, and it doesn't look like anything else is coming up. Oh, the spaghetti squash. You can see here, spaghetti squash is starting to sprout, and the spaghetti squash again over in this side here. You can see that's starting to sprout. So again, some of these are taking a little time because it's 8 to 10 days. So this here in that row looks like the tomatoes. So we're starting to have a couple of tomatoes that are coming up here, as you see here. So again, we'll give this another week or so, and that way you'll be able to see how we're going to start taking care of that. We have our grow light there, and we're going to transplant those in probably another 2 weeks to different bigger pots. These broccoli plants, we're going to go ahead and give it about a week, and then we'll start to thinning those out also. So hope you enjoy, and hope you guys are doing some fun gardening at home.